In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get anywhere from $10,000 to $1 million with the infamous, the scandalous Wells Fargo Bank, where I actually started my banking career. All right, so let's dive right in. Wells Fargo currently has two different types of business lines of credit. One is an unsecured line of credit that goes anywhere from $5,000 to $150,000. That's friendly with startups. And they have a secure line of credit that goes anywhere from $100,000 to $1 million. This is for more established businesses and it's secure. They have the small business advantage line of credit. This is for businesses that have been in business for less than 2 years, and it's actually friendly with brand new LLCs. Now, all of these business lines of credit product are going to require for you to have a relationship with the bank. So even if you are a brand new startup, you just recently opened your LLC, then you want to apply for the small business advantage line of credit. And also they have an SBA Express line of credit that if you're a startup, most likely you're going to be capped at $25,000. Now, the approval for the SBA Express line is going to depend on your SBSS score. It has to be at least 155 and above. If it's right at 155, most likely it's going to go SBA. You're going to be capped at 50. This used to be all the way to $100,000 until they recently changed their underwriting requirements. However, we're helping clients get access to this right here. The prime rate is going to be prime, whatever it is right now, which is 7.5 all the way to 4.5. So it's a pretty good rate for a startup line of credit. Now, if you're asking, how much money should I ask for, Ariel? How much money should I ask the bank? I don't know how much I can be approved for. You want to ask for 10% of the future projected revenue or the actual business revenue. So you're a startup, meaning that you don't have any revenue. You're going to ask for 10% of whatever you believe the business is going to make in the future. And that's probably going to be capped right here at the 50,000. And if you're an established business for more than 2 years, then whatever your actual gross revenue is, you're going to ask for 10%. So on $1 million, $100,000. On $1.5 million, it's going to be $150,000. They're capped at $150K compared to other banks that go to $250,000 like Chase, where, again, all of these banks is going to be 10% before they start asking for any collateral. And in some cases, depending on how strong your personal credit is, then they might not ask for a lot of documentation. But again, this is relationship-based. See exactly how many products you have with them, how long you have been in business with them. Even if you just had a credit card from the past or just a checking account, all of that stuff counts. So again, 680 FICO 8 credit score, and also an SBSS score 155 and above. And the stronger the scores, the higher the chance that you're not going to have to provide any financials. And the stronger the relationship as well, it all comes in together. And we are getting a lot of approvals with clients that have had at least one product with the bank in the past. And for those that don't have that strong relationship, we're helping them apply right here. And again, if they want to apply for this and have been in business for 2 years, they can get that approval, but Wells Fargo loves that relationship to get that approval. So how do you build a relationship? You open a business checking account, make a nice deposit. Banks want to see that you're in bed with them. They want to get your business and they want to make sure that they're your main bank. Every bank wants to be the only bank, right? So you cannot be poly-bank cameras, right? Anyways, so these are the two products, and these products, they're actually approving people as long as you meet the requirements. Now let's take a look at the big boy line of credit, the prime line of credit that goes anywhere from $100,000 to $1 million. They have two types. One is going to go on a 3-year term, and it's going to be secure. The secure collateral cannot be real estate. It's going to be based on UCC lien on all business assets, the one first lien position. So you already have a business line of credit with first lien. You might have to close that if you want to get that big boy line of credit. It's going to be based on equipment that your business currently have or accounts receivables 3 months out. So you have contracts out and you have clients that pay you money. They might give you 60 to 75% of the total value of those receivables. Now, this is going to be a full doc business line of credit. They're going to ask for 2 years of business tax returns, at least 1 year of the personal tax returns, personal financial statement, debt schedule, year-to-date financials, list of collateral, AR agent report. Just know that they're going to fully underwrite the deal, and they want to make sure that you can afford the minimum monthly payment on this line of credit. So again, you want to start right here with the traditional line of credit products, and then you want to upgrade, set up that business line of credit for at least 6 months. Then you want to get in contact with your relationship manager if you meet this revenue right here, so you can get approved to, up to that $1 million. Again, they are lending, but you have to make sure that your credit score matches. So check your FICO 8 score, and I do provide a resource on how to get that in the description. And then also make sure you check your SBSS score. Go to nap.com and then sign up for the service that gives you that, the SBSS score. Make sure it's at least 155 and above. You must do a personal guarantee. If it's less than 680, do not apply, do not waste your time. They're gonna do underwriting based on the 5 of credit, so make sure you watch that video. And again, collateral is not required with the traditional lines of credit, the business line and the advantage line of credit. But for the prime line of credit, they're gonna need the accounts receivables, inventory, or equipment, not real estate. They're not taking real estate. And this is gonna be immediately available on your online banking account. So the underwriting process has been very smooth with this bank. So you apply with your banker, you apply online, and then after you get your approval, credit officer is going to reach out to you or a loan closer. So just provide whatever documentation they ask for. Now, if you found value in this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And share this channel with an entrepreneur that's looking for capital. I'm posting daily videos providing massive value to help entrepreneurs get access to capital. And if you have any questions about how to fund your business, just literally drop your question in the comments. I'm going to be answering every single question to help you get that approval. Then I'll see you in the next one.